so let's go ahead and then show that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, so we have the left hand side as 2a plus 2b root a. So let's find the LCM. A. Okay, so a into this will give me root a. So we have 2 times root a squared plus, so we have this side into this a, so we have 2ab. So we have this one as 2a plus 2ab on a root a. Okay, so we have the numerator as 2a (2a) 1 plus b, okay, over a root a. So let's go ahead and rationalize. Times root a times root a. So this one times that give us 2a root a 1 plus b. Remember, 1 plus b is secured here. So we have a times a squared, that is a times a, okay, because this side gives us a, so this one will cancel. So we have 2 root a 1 plus b on a, hence proved. So we have the same thing here. All right.